Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an electrifying showdown between two head shavers that will leave you buzzing with excitement. On the left, we have the Braun Shaver Head Replacement Part 94M, and on the right, the Microtouch Titanium Electric Head Shaver. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. Alright, let's talk money. Both of these products come in at a price of $59, so it's a tie in the price department. No need to break the piggy bank for either of these bad boys. When it comes to ease of use, the Braun 94M takes the lead. It boasts a simple replacement process. Just click it on and you're good to go. No complicated instructions or magic spells required. On the other hand, the Microtouch Titanium Head Shaver also offers easy shaving head replacement, but it falls slightly behind in terms of simplicity. So, the Braun 94M wins this round. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty, shaving performance. The Microtouch Titanium Head Shaver brings some serious firepower with its 5 stainless steel titanium bonded floating heads. It contours independently to the curvature of your head, ensuring a smoother, safer, and more comfortable shave. The Braun 94M, although reliable, doesn't quite match up to the Microtouch's shaving prowess. So, the Microtouch Titanium Head Shaver wins this round. It's time to explore the extra bells and whistles. The Microtouch Titanium Head Shaver comes equipped with a built-in hair capture chamber, gathering all your trimmings for easy cleanup. It's also water-resistant, so you can take it into the shower for a quick shave. On the other hand, the Braun 94M doesn't offer these fancy features, but it does come with a package that may vary. Ooh, the excitement. So, in terms of additional features, the Microtouch Titanium Head Shaver takes the crown. And there you have it, folks. In the battle of the head shavers, the Braun 94M takes the lead in price and ease of use, while the Microtouch Titanium Head Shaver reigns supreme in shaving performance and additional features. Ultimately, it comes down to your personal preferences and needs. We hope this comparison has helped you in making a more informed decision. Remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on future comparisons. Stay smart, stay informed, and we'll see you next time on Buy Smart.